our learning target says, I can identify true equations. Now, we've been working on that a lot, and we can always use tools to help us solve parts. So some tools you might want to use are maybe your number cubes. You could also use your number line with the bead and the pipe cleaner. What we're going to do is we're going to solve each side of the equation now. What we need to do is write what we find out below it. And so what's 6 plus 2? Now, if you're not sure what 6 plus 2 is, I'm going to use my cubes this time to solve. So I have 6. I'm going to add 2 more to it. Then you can count how many it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that number would be 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write 8. So 8 equals, now we're going to do 3 plus 5. Use my other set of cubes. So 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is also 8. And then I can decide, is this a true equation? Does 8 equal 8? If it's true, I'm going to circle it. And in this case, it is true. 8 does equal 8. Alrighty, let's take a look at the next one. It says 7 plus 3. This time, I'm going to use my number line and show you how to do that. So I'm going to start at 7 and add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 was 10. So I'm going to write 10 here. 10 equals, now we're going to try 9 plus 2. When I'm using this tool, I have to make sure the bead is always at that first number. So I have 9, and I'm going to add 2 more. 1, 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So let's write 11 below. Okay, so 10 equals 11. Is that true or false? That is false. That's not equal. Let's put a big X through it. Okay, let's try the next one. 8 plus 1 equals 7 plus 4. Okay, again, we can use different tools to help us solve it. I'm going to go ahead and I know what 8 plus 1 is, because 1 more than 8 is 9. If I wasn't sure what 7 plus 4 is, maybe I want to use my number line again. I'll start at 7, and I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Each time I move it, I count as 1, and I see 7 plus 4 is 11. So I'll write 11 here. Does 9 equal 11? Oh, it doesn't. So let's put a big X through that one. Okay, finally, 4 plus 3 equals 6 plus 1. Okay, what's 4 plus 3? 7. And that equals 6 plus 1. Well, what's 6 plus 1? 7 as well. So 7 equals 7. Is that true? It is true. So I will go ahead and circle it. That is what you're going to be doing today on your math sheet. Again, you can use whatever tools might be helpful for you if you're not positive on your addition fact. So the directions say circle either true or false for each equation. So you'll solve it and then circle true or false. I'll do the first one for you. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 equals 8. Is that true or false? That's true, so we'd circle true here. Okay, the next set of directions says circle all of the true equations. And you know what we've been doing is we've been circling the ones that are true and crossing off the ones that are false. So again, I'll do the first one for you. It's just like how we did the others. So 5 plus 5, well, that's 10. And that equals, we'll see, 6 plus 4. I wasn't sure what 6 plus 4 was. Maybe I want to use my tool. I'll start at the 6, and I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. I got to 10. So I'm going to write 10 here. And then I can compare. Does 10 equal 10? It does. So I'm going to go ahead and circle it. Then the last part down here says you need to write your own true equation. Okay, you have to think of 2 things that add together on this side, that will also equal 2 things that add together on this side. I'll do an example for you. So what if I put 1 plus 3 here? Okay, well now I gotta think, what's 1 plus 3? That's 4. Okay, well, what else do I know that equals 4? 2 and 2, when you add those together, that's 4. So on this side, I would put 2 plus 2. You are welcome to use this example. You do have to come up with one on your own. Okay, good luck on your worksheet today.